Before you prepare that salad for Thanksgiving dinner, you may want to heed a warning from the U.S. Center for Disease Control urging the public to stay away from romaine lettuce. Health officials in the United States and Canada on Tuesday warned against eating romaine while they investigate an outbreak of E. coli that has sickened 50 people, including 13 who were hospitalized.
So if you've got romaine anywhere near your kitchen, throw it out immediately, wash your hands, and sanitize the drawer in which the romaine was being stored.
We pulled all our romaine lettuce that was right there.
The alerts cover all forms of romaine, including whole heads, hearts, mixes, and bags. Health officials said symptoms include a moderate fever, severe stomach cramps, and vomiting. And even though most people get better in 5 to 7 days, it can still be life-threatening.
This is a very serious kind of E. coli. It can make you very sick. Not only does it produce a diarrheal disease, but it can produce a toxin, a poison that involves the kidneys, so you can get subsequent kidney failure.
As officials investigate the source of the tainted romaine, they say the current outbreak is unrelated to the multi-state rash of lettuce-linked E. coli infections earlier this year, which left 5 people dead and sickened nearly 200. Officials trace the origin of that contamination to irrigation water in Yuma, Arizona.